Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today we are going to discuss about new chapter, that is Information Communication Technology, the new direction of progress. ICT. The terms ICT is nothing but the information communication technology. Information communication technology includes communication devices and the uses of those devices, as well as the service provided with their help. The store of information generation, due to the advance in the science and the technology, is increasing at the thermosound rate. If we ignore this explosion in information, the knowledge that we have will become outdated. How is the formation of communication technology important for dealing with the explosions of information? Students, important. Nowadays, the communication technology has done several kind of circumstances in our daily day-to-day life, that even from the morning routine to the late night sleeping, we are surrounded with the gadgets and the uses of those gadgets with the help of electronic media. Whatever is held in America, or whatever the thing which is held in Japan, now which country has a war, now in which country what new circumstances or new phenomena will be discovered. So these each and every information we get our home very easily. What we have to do is we just have to turn on the television and switch it on the next channel, that is next to the channel news channels. Nowadays, if portable TVs can't be taken with ourselves, so mobile phones, computers, laptops are the basic needs that each and every human being has to be taken. Nowadays, even those days in the pandemic situation, students, you're doing rest at your home, but still from there also you'll get educated with the help of these electronics devices and the communication of these devices. How students, how these things were happens to you? See students, nowadays in 18th century, if the person gives you a calculation like 3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2855 multiplied by 3479 multiplied by 8459, what you have to do is you have to take a pen, paper, and you have to write down this equation. Afterwards you have to do the calculation, which took approximately 10 minutes. But on the mobile phone, with the help of calculator, in just a second, in just a few seconds, you can solve whatever calculations are given to you. Instead of that, you just have to click the buttons on your laptop or your mobile phone or your calculator to get the answer. Why these things? Why you will get the answer so quickly? Instantly students, when we went to the station, we need to take a, first of all, that prescribable form we have to take in from the station master. For that we have to wait in the queue for reservation of one seat. We have to stand in a queue. If the person who wanted to take a reservation, he has to stand in a queue for 7 to 8 hours continuously if the rush is there. But nowadays what you have to do students, what you are doing children, you just took out your mobile phones. On your mobile phone, you search to the network, that is internet, and book your ticket. This is so convenient. So this is what nothing but the technology. This is what nothing but the communication technology. Previously you have to went to the station and afterwards you have to wait for the train. But nowadays with some certain apps you can find it out the location of your train, where on which station your train is standing, at what time the train should be arrived to the station, and at what time your train started traveling throughout it. Each and every information from the platform to the upcoming situation of a train has to be getting to the human beings or to that passenger which is travel in the train very quickly and easily with the help of some apps which are nowadays available in Play Store. To get this app, again we have to connect it to the communication technology. So these are nothing but the development of science. Nowadays development of science also take place. Development of science also is nothing but the part of these communication technologies. Communication technology has played a wider road because it increases the knowledge bank of a human beings. Computers increase the speed of a human life, no doubt. Next, mobile phones give you a portability to conveniently and as per your requirement it should be worked. Nowadays, to talk to the person who is in another state, it's not that much of complicated. Previously what you have to do is you have to write down a letter with your handwriting. Might be your handwriting must be good. If the person who's there, if he was unable to listen or he was unable to recognize your handwriting at that time, he again fell down what you have written in the letter. So that's the reason what we have to write down the letter. Afterwards we have to post in the post office, then it went to the district place, from there to a tehsil place, from there to village. So but nowadays what we have to do is we just have to take a mobile phone, just dial the number and start it ringing to the person next to it. Nowadays these technology also put forth its again new word, that is nowadays video conferencing is a normal in which we are able to see the person who next to us, isn't it? So why so these things were happen? Because of modern technologies which are introduced in our life. Devices that we have to use it is nothing but the mobile phone, tablets, PC, electronic mass media, telecommunication devices, GPS, global position system, memory unit, all the kind of devices that we are delicately using is nothing but the part of this technology. In the 18th century, technology has not played an important role. But nowadays, each and every concept, the life should be get fast and the fast because of these modern technologies. देखिए बच्चों, यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा है? ICT. What is meant by ICT? ICT ये एक ऐसा टर्म है जो इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, इंट्रोड्यूस करता है. व्हाट इज़ मीन बाय कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी? ये हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है? यही हम लोग इस चैप्टर में पढ़ने वाले हैं कि आजकल जो प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है हमारे डेली डे टू डे लाइफ में, जो भी सेवरल चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, जो कुछ भी प्रोसेस हो रहा है, प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है, वो किसके बदौलत हो रहा है? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टेक्नोलॉजी ना स्टूडेंट्स. दिस टेक्नोलॉजी plays an important role in it. So that's the reason we must have to say we are concerned with this technology. इसीलिए हम लोग इस चैप्टर में इम्पोर्टेंट कंपोनेंट देखेंगे कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी में, जो इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर्स है उनके बारे में रीड करेंगे. उसके बाद में हम लोग देखेंगे इम्पोर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखेंगे डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर्स, इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन इन द साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इन द फील्ड ऑफ कंप्यूटर. ये सारे पॉइंट्स हम लोग इस चैप्टर में कवर करेंगे. आज हम लोग पहला पॉइंट देखने वाले हैं, डिवाइसेस यूज्ड in information communication technology. What type of devices are used in information communication technology? Students, I don't need to tell you about the mobile phones. क्या है आजकल तो एक छोटे बच्चे के पास मोबाइल फ़ोन दे दो तो वो फटाफट बता देता है. Within a couple of a second he can explain each and every software, each and every application, each and every detail which are in the mobile phone, if the mobile phone is new for that child. Even though at that time also he is able to recognize itself. How these things were done? See students, different devices are used for production information or producing the information, from communication or communicating, classifying, saving, storing information, managing information, holding capacity, performing work, communication established between two persons. These are the factors, these are the classification of this technology which are classified into a different way. Different devices are used for producing information, such as example computer, laptop, PC, mobile phones, fax. These are nothing but the devices that we have used for production of information. For communication, mobile phone, telephone, PCO, STD, ISD. These are communication devices. With the help of these devices we can communicate with our neighbor, with our family, friends and with the persons. Saving, storing information, pen drives. These are nothing, pen drives, memory card. These are used for saving or storing the information. Managing information such as software, hardware. These all start managing all the information. For the example, इसके लिए हम लोग क्या एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं? मोबाइल फ़ोन का. किसके लिए वो यूज़ होता है मोबाइल फ़ोन? कम्युनिकेशन के लिए यूज़ होता है। ऑफ कोर्स हमने मोबाइल लिया तो हम लोग कॉल तो करेंगे ही, कॉल करेंगे तो कम्युनिकेशन तो करेंगे ही, या फिर कॉल करके हम लोग खामोश बैठने वाले हैं कि चलो भाई कॉल कर लिया, हम लोग खामोश हो गए। आगे वाला भी समझ रहा है, करे, आगे वाले को समझ में आया, हमने करे, हम लोगों को समझ में आया, इसलिए मोबाइल फ़ोन लिया है क्या हमने? नहीं ना स्टूडेंट्स, हमने मोबाइल फ़ोन कम्युनिकेशन के लिए है। अच्छा, ओनली कम्युनिकेशन होता है क्या? बच्चे बोर हो जाते हैं तो उसके ऊपर गेम्स खेलने लग जाते हैं, तो इसका मतलब टाइम पास के लिए भी या फिर हमारे एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए भी यहाँ पे मोबाइल फ़ोन यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम लोग। एक दूसरे के साथ इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करने के लिए, मैंने आपको मोबाइल के थ्रू ही मैं आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूँ। वट एवर इन्फॉर्मेशन आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग टू यू विद द हेल्प ऑफ मोबाइल फोन्स ओनली, इजंट इट स्टूडेंट्स? नेक्स्ट, सो कन्वर्सेशन, sharing information, changing thoughts, utilizing, taking knowledge, each and every work should be performed with the one device only, that is mobile phone. So devices are used in information communication technology is the basic point or aspect point. Okay students, now on the screen you're able to see a chart which is empty right now. Okay, these charts you have to fill. Write down this chart in your notebook as well students. I am going to tell you the answers. Name of the devices: computer, laptop, mobile, radio, television set. What is it used for? Computers, to get the information, store the information, spread the information, communication, conversation between two peoples around the world. Next, what is use? It is what I said, what is its use for and where is it used? So at home, industrial area, school, colleges, educational campus, each and everywhere computers will be used, from bus stand to the railway station. You might be get surprised students, the voice that you heard, यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, that is also recorded by the computers as well. Students, you get surprised to heard that even though announcement that which would be held on a railway station is also recorded by a computer beings, means humans are recorded that these actors or these artists are also known as voice over artist. इनको voice over artist कहा जाता है। ये अपनी वॉइस को रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, सिर्फ एक ही वॉइस रिकॉर्ड होती है और उसको ब्रेक कर करके जो है अनाउंसमेंट चलाया जाता है। फॉर एग्जांपल 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। सो इसमें वो गैप फिल कर करके वो ऑटोमेटिकली अनाउंसमेंट प्ले होता है। अभी आप अनाउंसमेंट सुनोगे, आपको सुनिए ये अनाउंसमेंट एंड देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू।
यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें, गाड़ी क्रमांक 128008 सुपरफास्ट समता एक्सप्रेस थोड़ी ही देर में प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 पर आ रही है।
यू हर्ड दिस स्टूडेंट्स, ये भी है ना जो है कम्युनिकेशन डिवाइस का ही एक प्रकार है, उसके हेल्प से ही इतना नाइसली वॉइस ओवर किया जाता है। लेट इट बी, कम टू द पॉइंट। कंप्यूटर्स, वेयर इट इज़ यूज, सो stations, train station, airport, everywhere. Benefits for use it is to get information rapidly and quickly. Mobile phones, what is it used for? Communication, home, person to person, next to the person. And benefits for use it is you can establish communication between two peoples within a couple of seconds. Radio, where it is used or what is it used for? First though, what is it used for? To entertainment, to update ourselves with the nation or with the world. Where it is used? Home, everywhere. Benefit, to get the collective information around the world. Television set, live, where what is it used for? Live television, teletalk, information, communication, establishment, all the kind of uses. Where it is used? Home, industrial area, corporate area and cinema halls too. Benefit for use it is nothing but you can say enjoyment, all the things. So this is nothing but that chart you have to fulfill. The computer, which is most important devices for information communication, is considered to have gone through 5 generations. Since it was the first created, the computer used during the period between 1946 to 1959 are said to be the first generation computer. The ENIAC computer was made in the period valves were used in its construction. These valves were large in size. They also consume a lot of electricity that generated heat, and computers would shut down many times. Today's computers are 5th generation, 7th generation and 10th generations computers. Students, if you have any doubt regarding to this chapter or these points, you can ask me in the comment box which is given below. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for the watching. Thank you.